how to fix this item is not available in your country in Google Play Store. First, open up the Play Store and then search, and then we search for secure VPN. So scroll down and install it. Next, tap on open, then tap on accept. Here, go to the top and tap on the close button. Then tap on connect, tap on OK. Here you can choose the country. So go down and select a country and allow. Then tap on the home button to go back home. Now tap on the recent key and we close Google Play Store. Next, swipe down at the top and tap on settings. In settings, we go down and tap on apps. From here, we scroll down and look for Google Play Store. Now in here, tap on storage and tap on clear cache, clear data, and tap on delete. Then tap on the home button to go back home. Now we open your Google Play Store and now you should be able to install the app. And that's it. So you can now install the app without that error. After, we can go into the App Store and delete the app, uninstall. And here, if we go back to your Play Store, it is still installing. And that's it. Now you can open up the app and use it as required. So here, I don't have the app anymore. I still can go back in and install it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.